Oh, that is not approved by the government. Excellent. 6 egg yolks, because subtlety is for cowards and accountants. Look at that whisking. Smooth, creamy, unlike your personal life. Oh, that was hateful. That was hateful. I feel amazing. Okay. That is what I've been missing. Super G! Yay! Told ya! Good church, good day. Bad church, well, one time a toaster turned into a goose. You know what the asteroid charging station attendant said before I stole the recipe? Please stop siphoning coolant into dairy products. As if that's a normal sentence. Oh, careful. One wrong move and this turns into radioactive breakfast pudding. Which, coincidentally, is also what happened to my second husband. Allegedly. Gee willikers, this is not a recharge. This is a full-on glow-up. You go, girl. Whoa, Super G! You go, girl. Baby, you didn't just recharge. You upgraded to Deluxe Sparkle. Look at that. Thick enough to cut a spoon. Oh, unlike your flimsy emotional boundaries. Yes. The classified sour compounds. Green apple. Blue raspberry, the official flavors of poor decision making. Oh! There's the reactor glow. If your dessert starts illuminating nearby wildlife, mind your own business. Mini marshmallows, tiny edible insulation foam. The charging station attendant called these viscous sugar nodules. That man absolutely had warrants. The peach signal. Whoa. Right now. There it is again. That hum. Still loud? Still suspicious? Still dragging me into nonsense? Now it looks properly illegal. If the spoon survives this process, frankly, I'll be disappointed. Notice how soft that is. That's because this is gelato. Lower air content, denser texture, smoother consistency. Even an alien clown can figure that out. Well, most alien clowns. That wobble, that deeply upsetting wobble, is moving like a haunted aquarium. That's not a normal hump. That's a something fishy. But I'd still eat it, hump. We are chasing something fishy. Careful! Loud signals aren't always the true one. One time I followed a loud signal. Turns out it was just a singing rock. Still Now for the black slime swirl. Because apparently the glowing toxic goo wasn't enough. Oh, this is bio! I love it, love it, love it! It looks like motor oil connected from a cursed bumper car. We don't have time to unpack that. We chase first, question later. Shine bright, strut right, let's roll. That is art! Horrible, horrible art! Like if a swamp creature leaned interior decorating. Oh no, 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 no. The slime drip. The glow! This dessert has absolutely escaped containment. It's forbidden. Stolen from an asteroid charging station. If I disappear after eating this, you said nothing.